Hey guys, it's Connor from Tentworld Archerfield here. I'm here to go over the Opinel Outdoor No.08 folding knife range. Comes in a few different colors and it's got some great features, so let's jump into it. The Opinel Outdoor No.08 folding knife comes with a 2.5mm thick blade, and it's serrated over 3.5 centimeters to cut natural or synthetic ropes. It also has a shackle key for 4 to 10mm shackles, which makes it great for attaching it to your belt, your bag, or anything else you need to. The blade itself is made from Sandvik 12C27 modified stainless steel. The fiberglass reinforced handle withstands shocks, humidity, and extreme temperatures, and includes a peerless survival whistle that functions well in all weathers. Once cut out of stainless steel, the Verblak has two sections, one fixed and one sliding. In addition to locking the blade open for using it safely, it is now possible to lock the blade closed, which ensures safety while it's in transport. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, jump on our website or come pop in, give us a visit. Thanks, happy camping.